I'm Denise and welcome to my kitchen. And I'm the Executive Director of the Toronto Vegetarian Association. And today I'm preparing something that my family loves, and we just discovered this amazing recipe over the weekend, and it's called roasted red pepper dip. So we were actually having this pasa tortilla chips, and we discovered the recipe, and we do have another bag here that we thought that since this is such an amazing dip, and it's all vegan, and these chips are actually also vegan, and it's called organic pasa tortilla chips. So we know that there is a whole bunch of snacking that's going on, but you know, sometimes we need to pretty things up a bit. So today I'm going to show you this amazing dip that we just came across in this bag. So sometimes you find these amazing recipes in all the strangest of places. So I have everything sort of already positioned. My photographer today is my lovely daughter. Would you like to come closer and just kind of like take a look at what it is that we have here? So I'm going to be using my Vitamix because I think this is a really wonderful way to get my dip already, you know, homogenized and put together. And so the star of the dish is the roasted red peppers. So I basically took one whole red pepper and I broiled it in my toaster oven, maybe about 15 minutes or so, because it gets really soft, and I don't want it to leak out all of the liquid, which it had already started to do. Guess I'm in and out, I'm working, and I felt for a snack, and I said, you know, this is something that I can actually share. So I have one whole roasted red pepper that I roasted up, and the smell was just awesome. So it's a bit of spiciness that comes out a bit when you roast, which I found really attractive. And I also have my other ingredients. So I have half cup of coconut milk, which I got from the powder. So I had 2 tablespoons of this amazing coconut powder, and I added 150 ml of water, sort of warm water, and I was able to get about a half cup of coconut milk that's needed. And as well as that, I have a 1/4 cup of cilantro. I have 1 whole garlic, wasn't needed for me to peel, or well, I needed to peel, but not shred. And I have some cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Of course, you can up the spiciness based on, you know, how far you want to go, but I found this recipe to be really perfect, you know, for my family members who love a bit more spicy. They added a bit more cayenne at the end. So to get that sort of salsa-ish taste, I also have some lime. Well, it calls a lime, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to be using my half lemon here. And so it's really simple. You basically just take everything here. I'm just going to get a spoon. I picked up my lemon squeezer, which I hadn't done before. And I'm going to toss everything inside. So my photographer friend, if she can come closer and take a look at this. And I'm going to go with the cilantro. Was really, I cut a lot more because I actually love cilantro, so I know some people don't. But so I'm adding a bit more because we love cilantro. And it really gives it a real beautiful texture and taste. I'm going to add all of the cumin, the salt and the pepper, the garlic, and of course it's about 2 tablespoons of the lemon. I'm just going to squeeze some of that here. 2 tablespoons about right. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Right, so I'm gonna just be pulsing that a bit. So you can see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put this on here, turn this on, and just about maybe to 5 or so, I'm just gonna pulse this. To get too liquidy, but at the same time I want everything to be chopped up beautifully. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So you get the beautiful smells of the red pepper, the coconut milk, the cilantro, the salt, the black pepper. And so right now, if you want to take a taste of it, to taste how that goes, I'm just going to put some in here and have a taste. It's absolutely delicious. And it's recommended that it's chilled, because once it's chilled for 1 hour or so, all the flavors come together and it becomes more of a paste and less of a liquid. So thank you for joining me today. And when it's all chilled, I have these beautiful chips I'm just going to add into this, and I'm going to have a lovely evening. So thank you and for joining me today. Remember to support the TVA at veg.ca/donate. Become a member. We're doing a bunch of virtual events because we want to keep you engaged and we want to keep you part of our community. So thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.